Good evening, everybody. Starting another live stream. Doing tonight some office development, extending the Word environment, and hope I can remember where we left off last time. Because the last time we did office development was, I think, before Christmas, last year, last decade. So let's start the show and see where we get going. Welcome back. It's January 7th, 8 p.m. European time, and let's go quickly over to the code window and see if we can remember where we left off before the New Year's kicked in. Let's go to the command window. Oh, that's the other one, that's the terminal. For now, let's do the normal one. So, see, go to my data project, data projects. Let's see, what was the last one that we worked on? The Twitch demo I think. Always a little bit out of scope. Twitch demo I and let's see if we can get it up and running again. Let's first open the code window. There should be a to-do list in there. Display home page. Fix navigation, add watermark. Is watermark an option in OfficeJS? I don't know. Let's find out. Fix navigation. Yeah, the navigation was somehow a little bit off. npm start. Oh, we have an update of Visual Studio code. Let's do that later. Let's do this later, alligator. npm start. I think it was npm start. Let's see if we can get the Office add-in working. And from what I remember, the navigation was breaking again. And we've seen that before. Why is there a snowman in the middle of my screen? I think the scope of the size of the window is not right. Let's fix that. Multi-view. I think the alert box is this one. I think that needs to be full screen. Reset. 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 Now the question is if I get a follower where my follow screen is appearing, but this is my winter overlay, holiday season overlay. Let's leave it for now. Oh, we have a certificate. You're about to install a certificate from a certificate authority. Yes. My guess the old one has expired over the holidays. Let's do this, yes. And in the meantime, do we have a node running? Not yet. Content not from Webpack is served. What do you mean, not from Webpack? That's interesting. Developer certificate has been generated. Office in developer search. Blah, blah, blah. You now have trusted access. I'm not sure why. Oh, there it is. Compiled successfully. So now the add-in should be working. Let's check this. There you have it. My add-in is working. And if I click the About page, that's working. Click Run, that's working. Close this and now go over to the React add-in task pane. This one. It does have a navigation thing in here, but it's not working from here. React Flux and React Router for ultra-responsive web apps. Would be nice if it also worked. I wonder why the navigation is not working. Edge DevTools preview. Let's see if we can see something in here. Hotloader misconfiguration detected. Use production version in non-production environment. Yes, but that's true. Object expected. Debugger. Not much to do here. Let's go to the code and have a look at this. Because we most likely are on the home page here. That's a React component. So if I change this, ultra responsive web applications. What's this? Minor version of npm available. Okay. npm install global npm to update. See if this is reloading now. Yes, that's working. So let's first close this. Don't save. And close node in this case. First do an update for npm. npm install global npm. Let's get some new bits in here. It's snowing. Not really. In the Netherlands it's more like raining than snowing. In the meantime, let's have a look why my address bar is still not available here. And go to the command window, go to data projects, And we did have a working Office in here with the navigation. But the question is, which one was that? I can't remember which one it was. To-do list, no. I'm pretty sure the PS Flux thing is working, but it's not a word add-in. Which one is the one having TypeScript in there? TSX. Clean. Several of these items have TypeScript in there. That's one with a menu, clean React app. But the question is that a manifest app or is that just a regular one? Wow. Debug test. It's kind of slow if you look at the window here. This one has multiple borderless component examples. Should do some cleaning. Which one is the... maybe find another one. To data projects. Let's find all the projects with manifest files in there. The manifest file is called manifest.xml. Manifest.xml/s. One, two, my offset in, my new add-in, my new React add-in, and OfficeJS. But that's the one with JavaScript and not TypeScript. How's this going? That installed, I think. npm outdated. I could also go to the package.json and have a look at this. I thought I had the version item installed. And I did, apparently. Let's quickly go over the versions of all these packages. Dependencies. Core.js can be updated. Let's mute the front door. There you go. Core, Fabric UI is just little updates. Babel preset. OfficeJS types. Types React. All minor updates 441 Webpack. CSS loader. That's still the beta. Style loader. Let's update that one. TypeScript has an update. Webpack. And the last one. The only one in beta is the Webpack. npm install. Let's go back to this one. We have Twitch demo, that's the current file that we are looking at. Fabric core test. OfficeJS 2019. My React add-in. My new React add-in. Let's go compare that with the TSX files. Twitch demo. Twitch demo. Well, Twitch demo. Where did the rest of these items go? Is there only a small buffer? What is it? Let's check over here. We have, I think it's one of these ones, my new React or the other one. New React. There's some TSX stuff in here. Okay, done. Code. Let's check what's in here. If needed, OfficeJS is ready. This one has an app and header, but this one doesn't have any menus, I think. npm start. Let's quickly see if what this is doing. Should make note of this, what the other file was that it was working. Another certificate. Does it bring in the routing? Let's wait for node to complete. There's node, but there's no add-in. Maybe, oh, it's this one. This one doesn't have a menu, so this is not the one. Close. I said close. Don't save it. Node can close. So it's not my new React add-in, because this one doesn't have a menu. So, notepad. My new React add-in, plain React add-in. No routing. React add-in, my React add-in. What's the latest one? October 12. No, that's the root. This is the month. To-do list 12/10. OfficeJS 2019. Let's try that one. OfficeJS code. This one has some React in there, but still no. Oh, let's check what's in the manifest over here. The Webpack maybe. Because I don't think this one has a menu either. Let's check it out. Enable debugging. Let's see if this gets a certificate as well. Pretty sure this is not the one. Certificate. Let's load node. There it is, and then we have an add-in over here. That's a different one. Hello live stream. Also no menu, so this is not the one either. Don't save. And don't save this. What was this called? Something like this. Copy. TypeScript. Close this one go to the next one. My new add-in maybe. Is that one? This one? My new code. This one is about async, I think. What's this? Inside app. Let's see what's in the files over here. Icons, we don't have a menu either. So which one was the one with the menu? Come on now, guys. Now this was the debugging project. See what's in the console output. Debugging console output demo. So next. What's more new? Test UI, PS Flux, Test UI Fabric, UI Fabric Core Test. No, that's a very old one. My app. What's in my app? My app core code. There's not much in here. That's just the first React project. My app. First React project. Debug test. DAS, CD, DAS. There. There's nothing in here. Nothing. Blazor stream. That's Blazor clean TS. What's this? Clean. Code. App index logo. This is just a React application, I think. npm start. Let's see. I think this is just an application. This is just a web application. Yeah. Close. Not sure why this is called cleanly appts TypeScript. There is some TypeScript in there. Clean app TS. I'm not sure why it's called this way. There's a React boiler starter. That's not one. That's not the one. Debug test. We have done the debug test. Debug test. Also no pages. What's in here, for instance? Logged it. Did mount. npm start. Let's see what's in here. Side loading the Office heading. Okay. There's one. Wait for it to load. Show task pane. No menu. Hello new Office developers. So this is also simple. That's React. It's React. Yes. React Office starter project. No routing. Let's save this to the desktop. Projects. What's in here? Open with Notepad. About page. So close the debug test. That's debug test. My Office add-in. this one. This is not the one, pretty sure. My new React. Already looked at my React. My React. Manifest. Where is the URL that's loaded? This one. This one does have an about page and a TSX and routes. My React in. Let's try this one. Code. No. npm start. I don't want to install the update yet. Side loading. Wait for Node to start. Hopefully this one is the project that I had the routing working. Failed to compile, yeah, that's not the problem. But this one should be okay. Whoa, oh no, not really. The add-in is not working in this one. Huh. This is serving the source code. Interesting. There is a other manifest in here. Task pane. Test manifest. So why is this on a different level? And there's a manifest over here. Localhost 3000. This one is task pane HTML. Okay. this one in here. It does have TSX files in there. Save. npm start again. Let's make this a little smaller. Change the description over here. Extending Microsoft Office Word client. With OfficeJS and JavaScript. Let's make it this way. And now my description is a lot better. Is Node started yet? Yes. Props is declared but it's never read. Yes. I don't care. Come on. That's not right. Don't save. Create content controls. Button is declared. There's a lot of errors in here. Let's see how this compares to the other one. Backslash and about. Let's go to the other one. Routes. Do we have routes in here? No. This is the home page, but the menus in the header. Why do we have two header TSXs? My guess is that this header is used in here and the watermark's not working properly. Let's take the watermark out. Notepad, another notepad. No. So now we have a root item and an about item. And that's it. npm start. So this one is my React edit is not working anymore. My React adding not working. Not sure what's going on there. Waking up at 6 a.m. After the holidays is oh darn it, makes me feel like I have a jet lag. Node was completed, yes. There's Word, got it. We have it. Now we should have task pane without watermark. Yes. The about page is not working. And I'm not sure, so nothing is happening if you click on this. Let's get in there. P is flux. So if I do this one, npm start, let's see if let's close the Word application first. And close Node. Then start the npm flux one. This one has a valid menu. (3001). That should give me a plain website with some menus in there. Same thing, where we have an about. This is actually the same thing, but this one is working. So let's try to fake this in the other one by changing the manifest. By going into this one. For that reason, I think the task pane was gone. Copy, put it in the same backup notepad file in here. And let's fake this one into going to this page. And what's the file that's going in there? Flux can now view in the browser 3000, and that's not true, I think. Let's go to the other one and see what's going on. Yeah, this one is not working. Well, let's just run this. npm run, maybe. Oh, npm start. Let's see if we can fake this into another location. No, it doesn't, because this one is not running. Task pane. Yeah, and the default value is this one, but it's not true because we have this item over here. Task pane URL. We should fake the other one. This one. Where's the task pane URL? Here. This one. Let's fake this. wait, the task pane about is task pane about. Oh, okay. Still. Let's do the npm start again. Npm start. Oh. Npm start. Word up. Is the other one still loading? Yes, that's the one still around. Fake this one. Kick this in. And you can't open it. See details. Really. This one is working. This one is not. Sigh. Let's restore this one. Task pane.html. So this one is kicked in. And this one has the container in there. Container is stuffed with something about this one. Homepage. So where's the specification that the homepage is in here? Let's find out. Home page. App.tsx. Let's move this out as well. Take the watermark page out for now. So we have a home page and an about page. Input route and switch. This is the home page React page. Default home page. Then we have go back to this one. This is the entry point. App container. App container from bootloader. App. There's app. App is rendered in here. So you go from index.tsx. Let's get from task pane. There should be a reference to index.tsx somewhere. Index.tsx. Here, done by Webpack. Oh, okay. index about.tsx. And this one is when you just hit the about item directly. As an entry point. Yeah, that's this one. Same thing. So Webpack specifies the index TSX, apparently. No, don't know why. Resolve TS, TSX, TS loader. Going from taskpane.html into app. Where's the app? App. Where's the specification for loading the manifest in here? The manifest defines that it's loading taskpane HTML. That's this one. That has a container in there. That's loading app, homepage, and about page. Let's use a route. If it's exact, then you go to homepage. Otherwise, wait, this is the homepage. Wait, I'm faking myself. Because this one is, if I remove this, save, and do then npm start. Wait for node to kick in. Why is node not kicking in? Okay, let's close all these items. Close. Task manager. Details. Is there a node in here? Oh, there's more than one node. Wow, there's a lot of nodes. Now let's close this one and this one, and let's start all over again. Close this one. Don't save it. We saved this one already. Let's start again. Now let's see if there are any nodes left. The other way around. No nodes running. cd data projects. cd Twitch demo. Code. So now I remove the home page over here and let's start npm. 9 o'clock p.m. European time. Got it? Now let's wait for the node. There it is. Code tab. Now we still have a home page, but the about page is not working. This one is still working. How can we get this to debug? Because the root path is probably not right. Because I've switched this over, copy and do this one. Save. Compiling. Homepage is declared, but never, its value is never read. Yes, that's true. How's that an error and not a warning? Like this. Save. Task pane about. Wait. Let's restart this. So this is interesting. It's showing the home page no matter what. Oh. Now node's not running. Come on. npm start. It's already running. It's not running. Task manager. You see node in here? I don't see node in here. npm start again. Why is it saying that the dev server is already running? It's not running at all. Come on, close it. Close. Close that as well. Twitch demo. No. npm start. We should check if we can run the application outside Word, maybe. Might help debugging. Over there. If Node completes his task, that is. There we have it. HTTPS localhost. What is it? 3000? Yeah. And let's show this one. Why? Task pane.html. Please sideload your add-in C app body. This can be helping to its logo demo. Let's find, because this apparently is blocked in here somewhere. See, that's this one. If Office not initialized, return blah blah blah. Otherwise, do this. Which one is this, by the way? App about. Yeah, that's just a copy of the... Okay, so app about is loading in here. So what if I now comment this out? No, that's different in... Let's take this part out and see if it's then doing something. Oh. Progress declared was never read. Yes, I don't care at all. Run. Still not running. Task pane. Yeah. All destructed elements are unused. Yeah, I know. Progress not used. Let's change this one and do this and make it functional again. Now the title is gone. Title. Const my title equals to title. Yeah, now title is not used. What if I just take this out? Is that an option? No, don't think so. Title should be able to just not use it, I think. It's demo. That's the header and nothing in there. Let's see if this one is working. No. Why not? Let's reload it. Don't save. npm start. Oh no. Come on. In here. npm start. Now node is not starting. Come on. Let's see if node is still running. It's not. Why is it saying that this server is already running while it's not running? Do I accidentally need to close everything here? Code. There you go. npm start. So hour in already and we're getting nowhere. One of these days. And still node is not running. Why is node not running? Dev servers are already running. It's not running. All these code entries. I'm not sure what's going on there. Let's close a boatload of this stuff. What do we have over here? node. Now let's do it the hard way. Sign out. And go to RDP again. Connect. Where are my credentials? There we are. Back. Now if you tell me that it's still running, I'm going to kill someone. Command. Data. Projects. Twitch. I said Twitch. Code. Terminal. npm start. Now let's do it. There's node again. Oh fuck. Now killing it myself. Let's try it from this side. Up and running yet? No. Got it. Failed to compile. The title is declared, but it's never read. Yes. And I don't need one. Declaration statement expected. What? Declaration or statement expected. Line 98. 98. Oh, in here. Oh. Darn it. Save. Later. Title is declared. Yeah. Never used. True. There's the header and nothing in there. Now the question is localhost 3000, I think. Yeah. And starting at task pane HTML. And this giving the sideload thing. That means that somehow if you go to app, do the same thing. Let's find this one. That's also in there. here. In this case, it's just doing the returning the page logo to its demo. Twitch demo. That's the title. This one. Initial render is showing a progress bar. That's not the case, I think. Let's go into the web page. Help tools. Task pane HTML. Here's some React stuff in here. Components and profile tab. Components. Now is this the please sideload your add-in to see your app body. This is the progress. Okay. So my guess that this is the progress component. Progress is the progress component. There. It's like this one. Showing a spinner. The spinner is from Office React. Let's check this if we can do something like h2 my test. Save. Let's have it compile. Then go to the page. Control F5 maybe. There it is. So how is this triggered? From where? Is that from this one? Task pane going into index, I think. And what it does is showing if it's initialized, then it's saying true. So let's just fake this. Copy. Tell the system that it's actually initialized. Now we have to this one. What is this page? So there should be something in here, but there is nothing in there. So let's find out. Index is a rendering app, and I faked this one. Home page. Save that. Now there's no home page because we missed this. Save this. Now we brought back an home page in here somewhere. We faked this one, so the progress is skipped. Now let's see if we can get some homepage stuff in there. The homepage, what does it contain? This one, homepage and something React stuff. It's not showing. And why not? App about. Title is declared never. This one is probably something. Failed to load. No. So this one is not loaded at all. Going into app. Because if I do this, something like this, this works. Save. There's the home page. So the switch part is not working. Can I break on this? No, can't. Go to, what's this, code somewhere. So maybe. about what's this data. The title is never declared. React routing TypeScript. So in this case you have pages. Home, full and bar from pages. Let's try this. So we have, this one is app. But that's in TSX. Index.tsx. Why is this an index.tsx? So go to, oh wait, there's a link. Wait, is this what I'm missing? That's what I miss, I think. Copy. Where's the router in here? Here. Need to copy the link out. Copy. Router link switch. So why is the router used in the other one? Router, this one. Router. Also need a router, I think. Router div nav. Router. Div. Bring that all the way down. Something like this, I think. And we have to put router in here. Save. No overload matches this call. Why is this? Let's have a look at the other one. Hash router. this. What's this? Class hash router. Do we have a hash router in the other one? No. Import router. Okay. Home for bar. Let's put in the pages.tsx next to app. Then we can throw them out. New file. What's his name? Pages.tsx. Oh, it's the wrong level. Yeah. Next to app, yes. Put in this one. Copy. So we fake some fake pages in here. Let's see, import React from React. That's not right if you compare it to this one. Copy. Pages. Right. Then we put in app, we import the pages. Copy. App. Bring in some pages in here. Then we do something like this. Copy. In here, I think. So now we have links and routes. Oh, but the interesting part is that this one is in the header. And now I put it in the page. Let's first see if we can get this to work. Save. Close this. Now we have this one. This is working. So now if we can move this into header, because that's in here, I think. No, this one, this header. There's the nav. Close this. No, let's cut this out. Notepad. And replace it with the part in app.tsx. This one. You want to bring this into the header component. Now the link should be in here. Link. Take out the nav link. Active style is not used, apparently. Save this. Let's refresh. Now we have a home. And now it's not working. Because the target is going somewhere else. If we now change this part, copy this, copy, take that from the header, I need to copy this as well, copy, save it, Ctrl F5, I said Ctrl F5. Now it's working at all. Let's see, header, active style, cannot find home. Oh, okay. Need to get the pages in. From here, pages, copy. Never ignore your errors. Now there are no errors anymore. Save. Still not working. What's going on here? Link? Oh. Can't resolve page. No, that's true because pages is not there. It's one higher. This one. Save. What? Wait. This one. Save. No errors now. There it is. Oh, now they both switch. Really? Wow. So this is interesting. Because now we have... What if I remove this one? Save. Control F5. Now it's working, yes. I don't know why, but... Let's look at this one. This is the link. What if I make this a nav link? Like this, copy, go to header, change it over to this, save. Exec to home, and then nav link full. Full. Copy that as well. Make this bar, full. Link to full bar. That's exactly the same. We don't have an exact. Okay. Is that the issue? Route and switch is not used in here. Pages. What's with this? Wait. Now this one is not working anymore. Yeah, still, because I removed this. Take this out. Put this in. Take this out. Take link out. Switch out. The route out. Save it. See what's going on here. Home, full page. So this is working. Now, this one is not working. Let's see what's going on if you do this. Yes, home page. And we do something like home. No. So this is working. Now let's see what we can take out from the app in here. You have a switch in here. If the route is exact path like home, was that the issue? If we do this, it's my 5. Home bar, home page, full bar page, yes. So that looks like it's working. Let's go to demo. Progress Kendo React. That's from Telerik. Used to be Telerik. Now let's go to the code again. This one. Now we change this over to not to include pages, but we want to have something like home page. Let's make this home page. The other one is about page. And then we have a third one. I think it's watermark page. Watermark page, yes. Watermark page. And watermark page is not in here yet. Copy. Watermark. That's the page where we will put in the watermark. Watermark. And why is this an issue? Declared but its value is never read. Yes, it's never used yet. This one. Copy watermark page. I thought I put it in here. Yeah, it's a typo. Okay, save. Let's go to the web page. Let's have a look. About page. Watermark. Home page. True. Okay, now let's fix the paths. Header. Let's make this what's it called? Watermark? Oh, watermark. Make this watermark. Make this about. And make that about. Save. Change it in the app. Make this watermark. Let's make this about. Save it. That's not no longer existing. Yeah. Homepage, watermark, about. Yeah, that's right. Now, I wonder why the other one has this one information. So what if I put all of this in the about page? About page, what's this called? Nothing. What if I just do something like this in here? Up, about. Import. Up, about, from. This one. Title Office initialized. Let's copy it from like this one, I think. Like this. Copy. Oh, a little bit more. Copy. Oh. Test. True. Save. Let's do it. Come on. Day of the about. Yes. Interesting that this part is put in the header. Okay. Not sure why, but okay. Now let's see if this works in Word as well. About page. Interesting. That's needed apparently. let's try and find the Word application. Don't save. Kill node. And restart a complete set. This one apparently is working. npm start. Got it? No, node is not running. Come on, smarty pants. Close this. Command again. Projects, Twitch, code. And no, I don't want to update. npm start. No, this not starting again. Come on, guys. We need to close everything. Don't save. Task manager. Details. There's no node in here. Command. Data. Projects. Twitch. Code. Control take npm start. Yeah, come on, give me the node. Yes, there's node. There is node. Tudum. Wait for node to kick in. We still have to fix something because they're forcing the office detection to true. Failed compile, but that's true. Task pane. There's the home page, watermark page, and about page. This is interesting because I'm not sure why this is part of this one. Let's do this, and that's also working. So actually getting somewhere. Oh, nice. That's nice. So what if we make this something like put in some styling from Bootstrap maybe? No, I don't want Bootstrap. I want Office UI. For now, this header is obsolete. How this is compared to this one? That's the same. Active style is orange. Is that true? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes. We're actually getting somewhere. Google Office UI Fabric navigation button. Navbar button. What if I go into this and have a look at the navigation buttons from SDNcast? I think it's this one. It's no Office UI, but maybe somewhat similar. Because this one has the nav menu, that's this. Because this one is doing something like, let's check if that's something that we can use. Copy. So instead of a div, we put in something like this and terminate it with an end UL. Copy. Like this. And why is this not properly expected tag for div? Because this one is still in there. The class, it should be class name. Class name, because this is React. Then we put in list items for each of the thingies around the nav link. Nav is in this case on this level, I think. Nav. Let's copy that. So that means that this one should be lower. And this one should be higher. Save. Bring in the list items. Copy. That means this is a list item. And this obviously is also a class name. And it's a class name. Then we have a terminator. Copy. And instead of doing this, we put in all of these items. Copy. Paste. Put in the end tag. Copy. End tag. And another end tag. Save. Now let's see how that looks. close this. Oh, that's completely different. Most likely because I don't have the bootstrap in here. Let's go to this one and collapse nav bar. Bootstrap. I don't have bootstrap in here. Oh my. Later. Let's check the package JSON. I don't have bootstrap in here. Lib manager. Font awesome. Bootstrap. Copy. Package. What is it? Script dependencies. Let's add bootstrap in here. Something like this. And that's the latest. Now the question is how to use bootstrap in here. Use bootstrap in TSX. TypeScript. Yarn init. Add bootstrap. That's what we did. tsconfig. Do we have a tsconfig? Not much bootstrap in here. Setting up webpack config. Bootstrap. Add bootstrap. We want to use bootstrap components. Something like this, apparently. Put that in the header. Bootstrap, OPQ bootstrap. You have to do npm install first. Npm install. Meantime, go have a look at this one. index HTML, moment of truth. We got a React app all to be development TypeScript, Bootstrap and package to Webpack. Add a file app.tsx in the source folder. List group. Where's the list group? Line 2 above. React strap. What's a React strap? React strap. There, types. Oh yeah, add to React strap. Probably will take this all out again. That's fine. Packages. React strap. We have types. Types React DOM, types React strap, types React. Add types React strap. Something like this. Let's put in the latest version of this one. This one. So now we have Bootstrap, React Strap. Not sure what React Strap is, but types React Strap is added. Then we have go to Webpack. Where are the types? Types. It's not defined in here. React DOM. React DOM. Does this mean this also needs React strap? Just a wild guess. Close this. Don't save it. Let's just see if it's working, then we're checking it in and finish it off. Page is no longer needed, so I can delete that. Okay. npm and kill node. Start. Maybe I should do the install first. Oops, that was not what I wanted. Go on. That's working. Now go to this one. We have some styling in here, apparently. Looks like. Looks like there's something bootstrappery. If we go to stncast.nl, it's the same type. Okay. That actually works. Cool. About page. That's the same one, but then separately loaded by the individual menu item. That's the other one. Yeah, we do need to clean up quite a lot of this. Close this. Kill node. This was somewhat working. Bootstrap, I said. Bootstrap, nav button. Navbar. Bootstrap, get bootstrap, this one. What if you put something around this? This button. Navbar light. Navbar light. Let's do that later on. First clean it up a little bit. Let's see if we can move the pages to different locations. So what if I move this one to there and see if this is still working. Update imports, yes, do that. Right. And try to move this one as well. Let's first start the home page. Yeah. And the watermark page. Yes. Yes. Let's see if the import's still functioning. Homepage. Watermark. That's called from this one. No, from this one. Pages. Is now getting the info from pages. Yes. These 3 items. Link is no longer needed here because we use the nav link on the header. Nav link. Nav bar dark. Okay. App about. I can't move this one yet because this one is called directly from the manifest XML, if I'm correct. App about. Where are the resources in here? Well, that's triggered by the task pane about. So that's this one. Oh, by the way, also need to remove the fake Office initialized thingy. Enable and comment if you want to run the add-in in a common browser, not in an Office host like Word. And then we this would be a nice fake. Set to true if you want to run the add-in in a common browser. Let's check if that's actually working. Save this. Run this. This will still boot up Word, but we'll wait for Node to complete here, and then we going to check this in the browser. If we can actually still use this outside Word. Otherwise you would see the progress. Yeah, kick it in. Yes, there it is. So HTTPS, localhost, what is it, 3000? Oh. React strap, okay. Probably don't need that. Oh, wait, I didn't install it. Anyway, this is index.html, I think. Index dot, no, taskpane, taskpane.html, taskpane.html. Now you see the side loading. That's not what I expected here. As I faked it, did I? Oh, it's still false. And so I do this to true. Save it. Control 5. So wait for the node to kick in. Yeah. There it is. This should now also be in here. Like this. There you have it. Watermark and the about page. So you notice that if you do this and make this false again, you get this awful, really awful website with a progress in there. This should need some styling in here. Let's make that to do. No. Style the loading page when not side loading, when not loading in add-in. Now we fix navigation. That's all done. Oh. I don't know what was the shortcut for to do plus. Ta-da. Alt-D, and I didn't use this starting yet, so that's kind of sad because now I don't have a time thing on there. Let's start this. And we started this at 8 o'clock my time. And we completed it now. Style the loading page. And then we need to clean up code after fixing navigation. Something like this. Also remove the React strap item in here because I don't think it's used. And also remove this one. where's the type? Type. React. Thought I put a React something in here as well, but not sure. Save. npm install. Let's see if it's all complete. So go to the to-do page and let's add a research React strap. Let's see what's that all about. And we probably also want to put in add yarn, maybe. All these options. Clean up code. Yeah. Add routing. We did add routing, so that's also alt started and alt completed. And we started this at also at 8. Nice. Save all of this. Did it install? Everything, yes. Yes, well, everything was installed. npm start. Let's do a final check. Close this. Do the final check. If it is all still working. npm start. Hopefully Node will, yes, kick in. We can close this one. We don't need it for reference anymore. Look at this one. If it's compiled. Git status. Yeah. Untracked files, yes. Already compiled, yes. We have some compiler errors, but that's not a problem for now. Let's Control F5 this. Now you see there's this ugly progress bar. So that's working. Now go into the component in the add-in. You have the about page working. And the task pane with the menu. Twitch demo, watermark, about page. It runs, yes. So everything is working at this time. So now close everything down. Git status. Right. Git add dot. Git commit fixed routing. Yeah. Push. Git status up to date. Okay. Close this. And we can double check here. Git status clean. Go. Close node. Let's check on GitHub. Probably need to do this here. GitHub. As I'm logged in already over here. Profile. And we have a two contributions. Okay. We had 2 commits. Oh, that was yesterday, yeah. Last night. Show more activity. This one. Last change 1 minute ago. Yeah. Good. We found a potential security issue. View security alert. ESLint. Okay. And what's the issue? Upgrade ESLint to version 4.18.2 or later. My guess it's already 4.18.2 or later. Let's quickly check that. Because we don't want any vulnerabilities in here. Data, projects, Twitch, code. Fix vulnerabilities. What was the message again? ESLint. ESLint. Let's check if we can quickly fix this. Package JSON. ESLint. It's probably from somewhere else referenced. ESLint. So what if we just add this to the packages? This is generated. Here's lint. This one. From. What's the dependency? Requires. Well, let's just add this in. Is that a def dependency? Google. Def dependency or dependency. Dependency. Def dependencies are used during local development. ESLint is a def dependency because you only used it for local code linting. So ESLint. Give it to me, baby. 6? Really? 6.8.0. Okay. Now the question is, if I do something like this, npm install. Circular JSON is maintenance only. Flatted is its successor. Apparently no issue at this time. Now let's run it again. npm start to make sure that it's actually still working. So we don't check in buggy code. Got it. Wait for the compiler to kick in. Yeah, the compiler kicked in. About. Still working. Let's check the menu. Home, watermark, about. And that's working. Good. Then save. Close this. GitHub. Git status. Git. Oh wait, let's see. Fix the to do. Should be done now. Done. Git status. Again. Git add. Yeah, git commit
-m, added later version of ESLint due to vulnerability. Vulnerability. Come on. Vulnerability. Yeah. Git push. What? Still? Okay. So that did not fix it, apparently. So let's leave it for now. Let's check this. Where's my profile? Go to the latest one. Is it clean? Command. Data, projects, tweets, git status. It's clean. Close this. No, don't close it. Where's one of these changes? Show more details. Create 4 commits. Icon child element is required. Okay. December 12th. This one. 2 commits. Where are the commits? In here. Insights. Well, never mind. I believe it. Okay, everything checked in and we're done for today. Finalizing it. Go to the screen. So, what we did today is adding routing to the Office React add-in. Took me some while to get this going. Had to debug it outside the Word environment. That made me give some results there, and that's a good thing. So thanks for watching today. Tomorrow we'll be doing some more Blazor coding, fixing our website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.